your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media. Well, it's over here on all social media. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create my online content, i.e. taking photos for Instagram. So I have on this really cute little outfit. It's still snowing outside. So what I think I'm just going to do is take some photos by the beach. I was going to go by the train station, but I don't feel like wearing a mask. And yes, I think that masks are important and I don't want to be around a lot of people. So I figured the beach would be the best spot. So therefore I can get my photos. I can get 6 feet away from people. They don't have to come by me. I don't have to come by them. I can do what I need to do and head back in the house because your girl doesn't even have on those stockings with the see-through leotard on. It's a lot going on these days. So yeah, let's go ahead and take these photos. I only have one thing with me because we're using outside light. So the only thing I have is a tripod. So this should be interesting. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay guys, so let's go ahead to the beach. It is so cold out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this background, this rock as my background. I might use this. I have some fitness clothes also on my my Amazon, so I'm gonna come back out here and use this rock. But I think this is a really cute background with this red shirt. Let me pick my boobies up with this red shirt and its hat. I think this would be a really cute background with this wavy hair. I have on a skirt with no stockings, so I'm freezing. So I'm gonna take these photos and then I'm gonna add these photos to this video so you guys can see. Also, I wanted to show you guys my setup really quickly. Let's see. So this is my setup. Literally the beach, the background. The sun is coming out. Hallelujah. But yeah, this is what oh my goodness, the sun is coming out now. Listen, God is smiling on me. Giving me a little bit of a heat while I take these photos, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining my video today. This is going to be the quickest YouTube video that I've ever done because I'm gonna take these photos and go back inside and bundle up because I'm not trying to get sick out here. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.